Here is my We the People Justice 2012. On the front, the grips are 20 Eagle flangeless grips, brand new. The bars are We the People stock bars in smoked chrome. Stem, proper microlight, top load stem with a salt top cap and a salt integrated headset. Forks, salt stock forks. The wheel, we've got a Shadow Undertaker white wall tyre 2.25 with salt rim, salt spokes and salt hub. Here we've got salt cranks, smoked chrome with a United Squads 23 tooth sprocket and the E-clap surge pedals. We've got the We the People Justice pivotal seat with salt seat post and salt seat clamp. Salt chain. On the back we've got salt rim, salt hub, salt spokes with Shadow, Conspiracy, Undertaker, white wall tyre and 2.25 again. Here is my hub sound and buckled wheel. There is my bike check for the We the People Justice 2012. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think of my bike. Thanks.